This is a video guys to open Windows Defragmenter on Windows 11. So search defragment and click on defragment and optimize devices. So here select your drive and optimize. In the advanced view, you will see some more directory. And optimize it. And you can select the schedule like monthly, daily, and click on OK. That's it. Thanks for watching.